Toyota's Eco Mode is a sophisticated system designed to maximize fuel efficiency by adjusting multiple vehicle parameters simultaneously. Eco Mode adjusts four key systems. Throttle response is reduced by up to 20%, transmission shifts to higher gears earlier, climate control reduces air conditioning load, and power steering assistance is decreased. In hybrid Toyota models, Eco Mode also prioritizes electric motor usage over the gasoline engine for maximum efficiency. Now let's explore the three main methods to disable Eco Mode in different Toyota models. The most common method in 2020 and newer Toyota models is using the dedicated Eco button. Simply locate the button on your center console or dashboard, press it once to activate the green light, then press again to turn it off. Some Toyota models use a drive mode button instead. Press the button to cycle through normal, eco, and sport modes. Select either normal or sport mode to disable eco settings. Newer 2023 and later models offer more control through the infotainment system. Access vehicle settings, navigate to drive mode settings, and you can disable individual eco features or turn off the system completely. Disabling Eco Mode provides significant performance benefits. You can expect 15 to 25% improvement in throttle response, resulting in better acceleration and more responsive driving experience. There are specific driving situations where disabling Eco Mode significantly improves both performance and safety. Understanding when to turn off these efficiency settings can make your driving experience safer and more responsive. When towing heavy loads, your vehicle needs maximum power and torque. Eco Mode's throttle limitations can make towing dangerous, especially on hills or when accelerating from stops. In stop-and-go traffic, frequent acceleration is required for safety. Eco Mode's delayed throttle response can create dangerous gaps and increase driver fatigue during these demanding conditions. Different driving conditions require different approaches. Here are the optimal mode settings for various scenarios to balance performance and efficiency. While Eco Mode provides 8 to 12% fuel savings, disabling it improves throttle response by 15 to 25%. This trade-off becomes worthwhile when safety and performance are priorities over maximum efficiency.